Today I'll be showing you how to fix this problem in your Samsung Smart TV when some options are grayed out in your TV settings, so you will not be able to make changes. So I'm gonna show you an example. Let's go to menu and let's search for, go to system and let's change the language. For example, once you go to language, you will not be able to change language. It says this function is not available. Or if you want to set up your TV, once you press, it does not give you an option to make changes. So everything is grayed out. You'll not be able to make changes. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. If you are on your smart TV, smart screen like this with applications, you will not be able to make changes. You have two options to fix this problem. Open an application or go to YouTube, open a video, and you will be able to access your settings options. If you have a video open, for example in YouTube, you will be able to make adjustments and it's not going to be grayed out anymore. If it does not work, just press the Smart Hub button on your remote to switch to the antenna mode. Smart Hub. I'm now on the antenna mode. Once you press menu, you will have access to these options. Once you switch to antenna mode, you will be able to make changes in your settings without problems. So the options will not be grayed out anymore. So let's go, for example, to system, menu language. Now I can change the language without any problems. Okay, perfect. And also the setup option. So it's no longer grayed out and everything is fixed. So that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to share with you today quickly. Please subscribe, leave your comments if you have any questions, and have a great day.